Unit 4 Trash to Treasure. MCQs. First, for whom was a huge dinner ordered in the Maharaja of Travancore's palace? ट्रेवनकोर के महाराजा के पैलेस पर ह्यूज डिनर किसके लिए ऑर्डर किया गया था? ए फॉर द किंग, बी फॉर द कुक, सी फॉर मैनी इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल, डी फॉर द courtiers in the palace. So the answer will be C, for many important people. Second, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to see. महाराजा किचन में एंटर हुए क्या देखने के लिए? ए whether the cook was doing his duty well or not, b whether the quality of food was up to the mark or not, c whether there was enough staff for the service or not, d what dishes were being prepared for the guests. So the answer will be D. गेस्ट के लिए कौन सी डिशेस बनाई जा रही हैं ये देखने के लिए महाराजा खुद किचन में एंटर हुए थे. Third, the king was happy to see A. pickles, B. chutneys, C. breads, D. all the three. किंग यानी महाराजा क्या देखकर खुश हुए थे? वो सभी चीज़ें देखकर खुश हुए थे. सो द आंसर विल बी डी, ऑल द थ्री. ओके. Fourth, the king noticed a basket full of dash. किंग ने एक बास्केट देखा, नोटिस किया, जो कि फुल ऑफ डैश मीन्स किससे भरा हुआ था? ए फ्रूट्स, बी फ्लावर्स, सी ट्रैश ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, डी स्वीट्स. सो द आंसर विल बी सी, ट्रैश ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स. Fifth, one of the following was not there in the leftover of vegetables: A. tomato, B. beans, C. carrot, D. cucumber. So the answer will be A. tomato. Sixth, the cook was greatly confused because he was ignorant about A. the use of vegetable scraps, B. the disposal of scraps, C. cooking vegetarian dishes, D. making different types of chutneys. So the answer will be A, the use of vegetable scraps. Seventh, the cook put bits of vegetables A. in a basket, B. in a huge pot to cook, C. in a garbage box, D. in the fridge. So the answer will be B, in a huge pot to cook. वेजिटेबल के जो स्क्रैप्स बचे थे उनको कुक ने क्या किया? उनको एक बड़े से पॉट में रखा फॉर कुकिंग. ओके. सो द आंसर विल बी बी, इन अ ह्यूज पॉट टू कुक. Eighth, what did the cook do with the fresh coconut? A. whipped it, B. mixed it, C. Ground. D. Striped it. So the answer will be C. Ground it. 9th, the cook had an idea from dash. A. Vegetable scraps. B. The king. C. The coconut tree. D. His assistant. So the answer will be coconut tree. C. 10th, the cook did not add one of the following to boiled vegetables. A. Turmeric. B. Chilies. C. Garlic. D. Salt. So the answer will be A. Turmeric. Okay? Garlic, chilies and salt. These all were added. Okay? So the answer will be turmeric. A. 11th, at last the cook dashed in the dish prepared of vegetable scrap. A. Stirred in the coconut. B. Put plenty of curd. C. Sprinkled curry leaves. D. Poured some coconut oil. So the answer will be C. Sprinkled curry leaves.